Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. Okay guys, so in this video I am going to be doing my what's in my January Boxycharm box. I have just received it and I'm excited. So yeah, let's see what's in here. So when you open it, it looks like this. And it comes like with this little card. It says Boxy and Chill. It's so cute, look. That's so cute. And like as always, they always have what you got in the back and the description of what you have. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing I got is this Tarte High Performance Natural Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. You guys can see. That's how the box looks. So let me open it. Oh, okay. So it comes with a little paper like this. I guess giving you examples of what looks you can do. It comes in English and Spanish. And oh wow, this is so cute. I'm so excited. Yes, I have seen previews of this already. It looks, the package look like this. This is how the front look and this is how the back looks. This is very, very nice. Oh my gosh. And it's kind of like, looks sturdy, heavy. I like that. It's so nice. Oh, the Holy Grail. You guys, look. Oh, okay. So the paper fell out. So look. That noise not pretty. Ah! The mirror as well. Yes, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, so that's one of the things. The next thing I got is this Ofra. I think that's how you say it, Ofra. It's long lasting liquid lipstick, Havana Nights. I guess that's the name of the color. It looks like this. It's like a red or a burgundy color. Let's swatch it on my hand. Okay, yes, it's a dark burgundy. Ooh. Okay. This is my color. They know me so well. This is really pretty. Oh my gosh. I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day look, you guys, so I might use this lipstick. So I got that. I also got this spray. It's Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So that's what that is. It looks like this, you guys. So it's a leave-on mask. Okay, alright. To be honest, I got this. Ooh, I opened it. So I already got this. I think I got this in my November Boxycharm or October. Now I got this in my October Boxycharm, you guys. I just didn't do a review on that box. I don't know why, because that was a good box as well. But yeah, so I got 2 of these now. And the next thing I got is this, I don't know what this is. Let's see. Okay, so it's a black Ultra Luxe Long Wear Eye Pencil. Okay, so it looks like this. This is my second eye pencil from them. And it's in black. They know me so well because black, I like black eyeliners. So I'm gonna open it, which is so hard. Oh, that is nice. You know what? I just twisted it. I twisted it off. Let's see if it's smooth. Ooh, this, okay, so yeah, me and this will work. You know, just a typical black eyeliner. It looks like this. Okay. So that was easy. All I did was twist it and the plastic came off. And the next thing I got is, I got 2 of these masks. This is the, I don't know how you say it, Tateshka, whatever, mask. It looks like this. I got 2. It says Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. This one looks like this. Ooh. And this one is the Luminous Dewy. Okay, so I got 2. This is the same one. Ooh. So that is all, you guys. That's all I got. I am so excited. Okay, so I'm excited about 2 things in here, which is this palette right here. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You know what? I'm gonna do a quick swatch for you guys. So I'm excited for this palette and I'm excited for this lipstick, which is so gorgeous. I'm gonna do a swatch. Okay, so I'm swatching Escape. Ooh, okay. That I'm gonna do it right here. Okay, so that is Escape, you guys. That is pretty. This is Takai. Okay, this is Tiki. I'm gonna do it like this so you guys can see. Okay, so that really doesn't show up on me like that, but you can see it. And now I'm doing Heat Wave. Ooh, Heat Wave looks pretty. These are pretty. Okay, so this is Heat Wave. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is Heat Wave. This is Malibu. So freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a look on this. Okay, so that is Malibu right here. This is Rays. It's a mermaid. Did I mention that it said something about mermaid? No, it's not a mermaid. I lied. So it's not a mermaid. I lied. Okay, so this is Rays. Right here. So pretty. And then Compass. I'm running out of room. So this is Compass right here. So that's Compass. And this is Jewel. Where is it? I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so that is Jewel. And last but not least, Treasure. Oh, Treasure looks. I'm gonna do Treasure right here. Right here. Woo! Blinding. Right here. That's Treasure. So pretty. These are some. These can be good highlighters, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna do a look on this. Don't worry. Wait. Don't worry. Just wait. So these are the colors, you guys. Tell me if that is not pretty. So, yep. And I can't wait for this too. Okay, you guys, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get more videos like this and more. You guys, if you guys don't have Boxycharm, I recommend you get it because trust me, you will not regret anything in your box. Like I said, you can select your style, what colors you like or whatever. It's just really great. I really highly recommend it. So yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.